Hi, Scott Dolan here at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. We're going to take a look at a 2025 Harris 230 Cruiser, two-log boat with a 90 horsepower. All right, so 230 Cruiser. So this one is a two-log boat on 90 horsepower, but it does have lifting strakes on the inside of the outer logs. So if you're just looking to get out on the water, not really looking to pull tubes and skis and stuff like that, if you're just doing like evening cruises, stuff like that, probably a pretty good opportunity for you. So wraparound seating in the front. Does have a single lounge back here in the back that is fixed, and it's nice because you can sit on both sides at the same time. And if you keep the boat on a lift or at a lake house where you got to get your bimini top down every time you get in and out of the lift, this one does have a powered bimini top on it, which is really nice. Just press the button, raise it, lower it. Super easy to do. Table mounted in the floor, also comes with a Lowrance fish finder. So really nice boat, four speaker Clarion audio. So if you have any questions about this or any others you see online, pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd love to talk to you.